We're going to see which is best here. I've long since heard Coke will unblock your drain better than any drain cleaning product. So let's put it to the test over 48 hours. I have some hair and some debris from a sink drain. We will let them sit for a couple of days, then see which broke down the most. We will pour them through a strainer to see which passes through the easiest. Let's see if this is an old wives' tale or if, in fact, we can unblock our drains with one of our favorite beverages. What's your vote with? Let me know in the comments what your money would be on. First up, the cola. See if the sugar and carbonation can break down the organic matter for us. The theory is that the phosphoric acid in the cola can break down the debris. That sounds worse than it is. It won't damage your pipe as long as it's not sat inside metal pipes for long periods of time repeatedly. Now let's fill up the glasses with the Drano, a tried and tested treatment for your drain. Just making sure everything is fully in the liquids. This is at about 5 minutes. You can see the second from the right breaking down the sludge, tough to see into the cola. The far cola with the sludge in does have lots of activity though, so it must be breaking down. Don't forget to check out all the other content at the end of this video. Plus, if you enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe. This is at 24 hours. The hair in the first Drano has broken down well. The sludge is definitely getting chewed up, which would help remove it. The hair isn't looking much different yet. The sludge in the cola, however, is definitely starting to break down, which would also help remove it from a drain. So here we are at 48 hours. Let's see how it turned out. Up first, the Drano and the hair. Well, the hair is all but completely disintegrating. Now the Drano and the bathroom sink drain, sludge. Okay, this has broken it down pretty well, even more than I imagined it would. Now the cola and the hair. Let's see if those old wives were right. I guess not. I was expecting more from the cola, if I'm being honest. Time for the cola to redeem itself with the sludge. Well, definitely not as broken down as the Drano, but that would definitely be enough to move it from your drain. So there we have it. I guess the specialist drain products take the win. But the cola definitely had some qualities to open your plug drain. Please check out more of my content.